This presentation will offer new ideas to instructors of English language learners to excite and engage these learners and help them explore and practice new concepts. Students then can exhibit their newly acquired knowledge and skills using a variety of equally challenging and enjoyable Web 2.0 tools. The ultimate goal is for English language learners to feel comfortable and to excel in using the language in oral and written communication. Course instructors and course participants need to watch brief, simple, and clear tutorials before they start experimenting with the tools mentioned in this presentation to reduce frustration and to clarify the process. The first set of ideas is to offer support regarding visual content and collaboration among learners and instructor. If you collect useful websites throughout an academic year or semester, either for the students or for professional development purposes, you should round up and share those resources. If you use Blackboard Learn, the tool called Web Links will be perfect for it. You can briefly describe the content or the purpose of each link of the shared source and direct your students there whenever they need supplementary information on a concept or just want more practice. Educational blogs will also help you store all the data in an organized manner. Just ask the learners to click on certain pages or titles in your blog in order to get access to additional material or explanation. Your colleagues may also appreciate professional development tips in an easily accessible location. There will be learners who will need visual help even with seemingly straightforward assignments. For instance, if the assignment asks learners to compose a paragraph about their dream job, why not add supportive visuals? Using Google Images is a simple and easy start. You can select a photo or a word cloud with truly helpful vocabulary related to the assigned topic. Using Google Docs, which is a free online word processor, can increase learner-learner and learner-instructor collaboration. It can significantly reduce email traffic and the frequency of lost attachments. At the beginning of a school year or a semester, ask course participants to create a Google Doc for the paragraphs or essay that they will be asked to compose throughout the course, or any written assignments that they will have to complete. You should provide the title of each Google Doc and provide them with guidelines regarding formatting and editing. Then you can follow their work in progress. You may also create a Google Doc just to share the revised work of the course participants so that they can learn from each other. There are unlimited ideas how to use this tool. English language learners must add to their vocabulary bank on a weekly basis. I typically ask my students to make word cards to fully explore the meaning and the uses of each target word. There are many tools they could use where they can create and share their cards, Google Docs or Google Slides, or if you use Blackboard Learn, then tools like blogs or discussion board forums will be appropriate. The second collection of Web 2.0 tools can encourage creating user-generated content. There are blank or semi-complete templates that learners will have to complete in order to practice a skill or several skills at once. Using Wordle can make a simple project exciting. When students write a paragraph, they can basically copy and paste the text in Wordle and see, for example, which words they use most, or just get a fun image of their work. Why not make a paragraph wall where everyone can show their Wordle paragraph image. A free educational Web 2.0 tool called Glockster could provide compelling creative learning opportunities. The only caveat is that the free version is rather limited, but it still allows you to create many potentially engaging posters, which could be used as icebreakers, project reports, process analysis report, book summary, pro-con brainstorming tools, or conversation starters. With another multi-purpose Web 2.0 tool called StoryMap, you can record your own trips and share the experiments with friends and family members. But it could function as an instrument to complete comprehensive tasks with which learners demonstrate their knowledge of the past tenses as they narrate past events, trips they have taken, and perhaps they can recycle certain vocabulary at the same time. They could also write a travel report or a summary of a peer's journey. Language learners could also use it to describe places they are familiar with or to discuss their future travel plans. If used mindfully, the last group of tools can increase student contribution in both written and oral communication. Voki can promote student empowerment because besides it being lots of fun, it can all allow outgoing students to change their avatars all the time and shy learners to hide behind an avatar's face and voice or perhaps come out of their shell via a Voki avatar as they practice oral communication skills. This communication can take place among the course participants, multi-personal communication, or between a learner and the instructor, two-way communication. If used as an icebreaker, learners can talk about themselves. If used as a weekly assignment, they could summarize news segments or discuss a weekly topic and practice new vocabulary. The free version allows you to talk for 1 minute. Blackboard Learn has a similar tool called VoiceBoard, but has its limitations. And while free Voki only provides 60 seconds, VoiceThread recordings can last much longer. Therefore, it encourages active learning through deeper engagement. Students need to know that for this, they need a webcam as well as a microphone. But if they are camera shy, that option does not have to be mandatory. Learners in an English language course can use it for icebreakers, to describe photos, to record speeches of various rhetoric, or to engage in longer and more meaningful discussions on weekly topics. Storybird inspires language learners to apply their writing skills as they compose either multi-page or multi-chapter books with the help of art. It allows them to practice verb tenses, develop sentence structures, practice paragraph organization skills, practice editing skills, and improve punctuation skills. They can narrate past events, predict future events, or describe current events. Its use will depend on the concept and skills that the learners need to acquire and strengthen. Wikis. This tool will truly engage learners as they not only generate and create its content, but will also closely and effectively collaborate with the other course participants in order to construct a wiki page. A joint venture. They could perhaps build a wiki page about some aspects of their cultural heritage. This page could technically include some of the other tools mentioned earlier: Google Images, Wordle, Google Docs, Glockster, StoryMap, Voki, VoiceThread, and Storyboard. Students can practice editing, verb usage, recycle vocabulary, practice sentence structures, punctuation, and paragraphing skills. It will definitely promote collaboration and allow developing critical thinking skills because course participants will also provide meaningful comments in order to complete this project together. Each of these enjoyable educational and engaging Web 2.0 tools must be accompanied by clear tutorials and modeling, written purposes and objectives, and of course, evaluating or grading rubrics. The instructors must provide all that for the learners or course participants. Subsequently, when one teaches, two learn.